our senior team making the final twice. You've made the final internationally at the World Cups. How tough it is to kind of digest a final loss, and what do they need to do to take the next step?
Well, I think twice they were finalists, so it's very difficult to process when you lose in the finals, and the hard work and all the preparation that goes in just before the tournament. You do well in the group stage, you get into the knockouts where you're through or you're packing your bags home. But coming till the finals, having a good run and then losing in the finals is a hard pill to swallow twice. But I think every defeat, as you mentioned in one of your thing, that it teaches you. Every time it probably helps you to prepare better next time. And there's always scope for learning new things. And loss, definitely, to process it takes time. But I think that's the beauty of the sport, is that as much as it gives you success and all the recognition, but it also humbles you with the losses. It just shows that there's always something to aspire, something to work towards, and when you win, I think it covers up for everything.
Jhulan, the same question. You work with these players. You work with the under 19s, the 23 or the 19. Under 15, senior team, they look up to you. You are kind of mentor to them. The legend Jhulan Goswami. A word on them, because enormous amount of hard work goes in. Finally, here jawata, and a bitter pill to swallow. But there is always the next time. Jhulan?
I think important is that playing top 4 is more important. Playing in top 4 is more important thing. That was our primary goal. That to reach the top 4, and then we'll take the match day by day. But unfortunately, both the time we're not able to cross that final step. But definitely our girls played extraordinary cricket throughout this season. And I'd like to thanks to Snehashishda, who from the beginning he gave us a few suggestions regarding pre-season, and including coach, all the support staff. They have done extremely well. Because it's not easy to build a team. Every year you miss out certain players because of railways and all those things. You prepare something with some players, and suddenly you come to know that this girl is going to represent railways, because everyone need a job opportunity and everyone need that security. But unfortunately, a lot of difficulties, a lot of ups and downs, but still they've been always together. Under 15 team, they give us the trophy, and again, it was again difficult team to build, because everyone is very young, and first time they're playing in this kind of platform, traveling, all those facilities. For most of the girls are coming from very humble family, and at the same time they're getting those facilities, and sometimes কি হয় তুমি ওইগুলোর উপরে ক্যারিড আউট হয়ে যাও, তখন তোমার কনসেন্ট্রেশনটা থাকে না, প্রবলেম হয় সেইগুলো। Again, 1923, I think throughout the season, our preparation was top notch, and I believe in that. If you are prepared well, definitely you'll expect some result will happen.
Okay.